Hello and welcome to the Action Taker channel. My name is Sebastien and today I want to share with you my honest point of views on the EarnBucks website. Here we are on the home page of EarnBucks, and as you can see here, this website is full of some hype, some bold claim. Okay, as you can see here, this website claim you can make $500 per day. In a single day you can make $500, and you get $10 per sign up to. Okay, and what you need to do is to join, to sign up. Okay, and you will receive $55 as a bonus. And secondly, what you need to do is to share your affiliate link on social media platform or on forums. Okay, and if someone sign up, you get $10 per sign up. And next step to do is what you love to do: cash out your earnings on PayPal or Bitcoin wallet. Okay, but that is not the problem. Okay, and here is some testimonial. Okay, some testimonial. Okay, that is not a problem. And what is very important here is that you can calculate how much money you can make on a single day. Let's say you have uh, uh, 200 friends or the on Facebook, or 2000 followers. Let's see how much money you can make per day. You can make $455 on a single day. Oh, that is great. It sounds very good, but that is not the problem. This website is a scam. I am sorry. I want to show you why I say this website is a scam. Some red flags I discovered. Red flags I discovered. I want to show you that. Okay? Don't go. Calm down, my friend. I will show you exactly what I mean here. Number one, influencer network. That is great. Okay, here we are. This website says they have been on business since 2015. Okay, I think you see what I mean here. Okay, they have been in business since 2015. But this is a liar. This is a liar, and I will prove it to you. Let's come here. Here is a website that can help us find out what exactly when exactly this website has registered their domain name. As you can see here, EarnBucks.co, registration date December, okay, 2019. December 2019. However, they say they have been on business since 2015. This is a lie and the number one red flag. Okay. Secondly, payment proof is fake. But I don't waste my time with that, because there are some many things. Okay, here we are, and I know image is very small, but I will show you something here. This payment proof was posted on July 2019. However, we are December 2019. This is fake payment proof. Okay, and I will show you again something here. The number 3 red flag I discovered is their member testimonial. Here we are. Sabrina, James, Devon, and Jasmine. Sabrina stated, I started EarnBucks a year ago and it has been an amazing experience. A year ago. However, this website was launched on December 2019. This is fake. And all these guys, what they said here is fake. This is a fake testimonial. And as you know, this kind of website is not are very countless out there on the web. This is one of them. Click for cash. As you see, this is the same guys here on this click for cash website. And Sabrina here state the same. Okay, I started click for cash a year ago and it has been an amazing experience. Okay, fake testimonial, fake testimonial, my dear. This is fake testimonial, and you need to take all these into account before you sign up with this website. What they will do is to harvest your data and sell them to third advertiser and make money on your back. And if you are not convinced, let me show you something I discovered again. Number 4, red flag. We will try to sign up. Okay, I will my name here, and I will select the username, the password, and before I sign up, I will check the term and condition to find out if really this website is usable, if I can sign up or not. And here we are. Okay, let's find out term and condition, use on and future representation and warranty. Okay, here we are. This website say are 99 years old of age or older. If you are under the age of 99, you are not allowed to use the EarnBucks sites and features or our service. If you are under the age of 99, what it means here? It means if you are under 99-year-old, you can use their servers or their website. You know, people when they sign up on opportunity, they don't check out the term and condition. So this term and condition protect EarnBucks from user. When you will use this website, once you receive the cash out, or when you will try to cash out your money, they will say you will use this to not as a free test student pay you. Okay? Okay. So if you are under 99-year-old, you cannot sign up or use their service. Okay. Let me ask you a question. Are you under 99 years old? If yes, sign up. But even if you are under 99 years old and you sign up, let me show you, you will not get paid. Why? You can't anyway, they can anyway pay you $10 per sign up. Where the money come from? This is the meaningful question you need to ask yourself. If you don't trust me, go here and sign up. Okay, so my brother, I think you know what this website is about, and the best part is that you know this website is a fake website, and you can anyway make money with so